Morjesta, AVPlussassa tässä taas. Luxmani on monelle tuttu merkki, varsinkin varmaan vähän vanhemmalle porukalle. Luxman on perustettu siis vuonna 1925 jo. Ja sen jakelu on ollut Suomessa vähän heikolla tolalla muutaman ajan, mutta se on nyt parantumassa, kun nyt Naurilekille on tullut Luxmanin edustus. Meillä on täällä Luxmanin Overseas Sales Manager Izumi Saito. Welcome.
Thank you.
It's nice to have you here.
Thank you.
Yeah. Well, let's start. Luxman is a very old brand.
Yes.
And it has been many changes during the years, of course.
Yeah.
And now I think Luxman is more focused on high end than before. If you we go back to 90s and so. Mm-hmm. It was like I remember that Luxman is also sold in normal hi-fi shops, but now the approach is more high-end. Is it? Mm-hmm. Do you think that's so? That you want to be more two-channel and high-end brand than just an audio brand among Sony, Yamaha, and so on?
Yeah, I mean, not so much the price point of view, I guess, but we just pay attention to quality and details, and that comes high prices. I suppose. Yeah. What
kind of market situation Luxman has in Europe, in different countries, or compared to Japan, which is your origin for Luxman, of course, and the United States is also interesting thing.
Yes. USA, like we really didn't expect to be this successful.
Okay.
Yeah, but it's really taking big market for us. Yeah, compared to other countries. In Europe, it's really different depending on the countries, what products are popular.
Yeah, the countries, the markets are smaller, which different kind of countries, of course, in Europe.
Yeah, but it makes it very interesting.
Yeah.
Some countries do love analog, still have passion for vinyls and SACDs.
Yes.
As Japan too.
Okay, can you mention some countries which are mainly interested about the let's say old-fashioned or the old way analog sound?
Yeah, Germany definitely.
Okay.
Yeah, one of the biggest for sure, and also Poland. They sell our SACD players. Yeah. They own many SACDs.
Yes.
I suppose.
Do you think I have heard and noticed also that the CD is also coming back a little bit like vinyls are?
Yes.
Now there's a new generation, maybe new generation, but most of people when the digital distribution game so popular, Spotify and so on, Tidal, they put all their CDs away as they put their vinyls maybe earlier even, and now they are digging out those CDs from their storages and so on.
Yeah,
that's interesting thing, I think.
Yeah, it's really nice to have something physical sometimes, because younger people nowadays, like you mentioned, streaming.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but then like they have interest in analog stuff also. Vinyl sales have been increasing in the States, or other places also. And when you press vinyls, it seems to, sell out some of the record labels.
Yes. Also the famous, bands are producing vinyls as well. It's important thing for them.
Yeah.
I noticed that the newest lineup of Luxman doesn't have, for example, digital inputs on an amplifier.
No, because we are analog. We are really analog.
Yes, I thought.
But of course we get many requests.
Yes, but that's the a principle of to do like that. Still, you have DA converters.
Yes.
So you can, if you want, but you rely actually that, for example, your CD players has so good DA converter that it's no need to use it as an outside unit.
Yes. And we worked together with a Japanese company called ROHM, ROHM.
Okay.
They make DAC chips for us.
Individual chips for us.
For the music. Yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah.
So if you're talking about the future, what kind of plans Luxman has for future? Are you still, sticking on this analog like principle?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah.
We just brought out a flagship turntable called the PD191.
Okay.
And we have a standard model PD151 Mark II also.
Yeah.
But like for us, analog players are very important for us also.
Yeah.
So yeah, definitely we will be producing stuff to play analog products for sure.
Any plans for maybe less expensive products?
Yes.
Do you have any plans for to widen the portfolio for the product price ranges?
Of course, our development would love to do that, but it's very difficult nowadays.
I believe.
Of the material cost rising high.
Yeah.
Especially getting them manufactured in Japan.
Yeah.
It's the cost is increasing more and more. But we do consider, of course, and we do have a discussion internally, like to bring something that's more affordable.
Okay.
Or we do things with the magazine, like the build your own kit type of thing. Because Luxman is known for Lux Kit, which is like you just build.
Yes.
Because our company started off as like importing radio components and building your
radios
own.
on the components. Yes. I read the history actually. Yes, I know that. Yes.
So it's that plays Luxman part also. So we would love to do something like that.
And it's so long history that it would be very interesting to dig out little bit things. Few words Finnish, suomeksi sen verran, että me ollaan tosiaan tekemässä, meillä on se historiasarja AVPlusissa, niin me Luxmanistakin tehdään, koska se on niin pitkä se historia tosiaan vuodesta 1925 eteenpäin. Sinne mahtuu niin kuin tosi paljon. Ja mä itsekin muistan kyllä 80-luvun, 90-luvun laitteita, jolloin Luxman oli sitten niin kuin vähän erityyppinen kuin aikaisemmin. Do you remember the time, 90s, 80s, 90s? You have been in Luxman, you said 8 years.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, but do you know the background? Because those days, most of the audio companies, like Luxman, Yamaha, Marantz, and so on, they have a lot of models also in the lower price ranges. Yes. And Luxman has also, on that time, it was also part of like big brands like Yamaha, Marantz, Sony, and so on. But do you know what happened then, though, on that time? Does Luxman has any difficulties? Do you remember those times?
Yeah, I think Luxman has overcome difficulties for sure.
Yeah. What kind of ownership is now background the Luxman?
International Audio Group.
Okay, yes. What other brands are there?
Warfordales, Mission,
that's
Audio Lab, Quad, like all the British heritage brands.
Okay, but that's interesting, but also important that those brands can still be alive. And I have noticed, the value of the brand has been kept still. Yes, and that's very important.
Legacy has to.
Legacy,
go on, right?
That's the right word. Yes, legacy. Yes, that's nice.
Yeah, definitely.
What kind of what do you think that now in Luxman in Finland there was a change in the distribution? It was, I remember, Hifitalo was the old one. Yes. Now it's a new one.
Yes.
What do you think that the Audelec will succeed in the thing?
I'm very optimistic.
Yes.
I'm very much looking forward to working with Audelec, with Pauli.
Yes. They have some competition brands.
Yes,
in
of
their
course.
Portfolio. Yes.
Yeah. I mean, I heard Genelec is like 60% of speaker.
But Finland,
and like the guys yesterday when I visited the shop, told me like.
Where were you in Tampere in Hifi huone?
Yeah, it was really nice.
It was nice, yes.
It was
I like
really
the guys.
nice,
Yes,
because people came to see us.
Yes, I heard that there are actually on those kind of presentations, there are not so many, maybe 5 to 10 people, but you got many people and interesting about yes. And that's the reason also I'm excited about this new thing that Luxman will come actually a little bit like back in Finland too, because I like the brand and the products a lot.
Yes.
And I hope we will see these also on our tests as well.
Yes, please do.
Yeah.
Please do.
Joo, hei, tässä oli hyvä tarina Luxmanista ja niin kuin mä mainitsin aikaisemmin, niin me tehdään se historiikki-juttu tuossa nyt tänne tulevalle keväälle tuohon AVPlus-lehteen ja totta kai se nettiinkin laitetaan. Mutta tää kertaa tässä kaikki täältä Audelekistä. Nähdään seuraavan kerran. Moi moi. Thank you a lot.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.